Construction Workers Solidarity Party List will face a disqualification case after spearheading the holding of a raffle at the Barako Fest in Batangas. In the petition filed by Mataas na Kahoy incumbent Vice Mayor Jay Ilagan before the Commission on Election of COMELEC, he asserted that the party list violated vote buying since they gave out 3 sedans as raffle prizes. Ilagan believed that they have strong evidence to file a case since they have the video wherein the raffle happened. For their part, the COMELEC says it will investigate the matter and assured it will address the issue immediately.
Yan ay kaagad nating aaksyonan sapagkat nararapat lamang kapag ganito naghihintay kasi ang sambayanan ng seryoso ba talaga ang COMELEC na labanan yung issue ng vote buying. Bilang babala rin sa ating mga kababayang kandidato, iiwasan yung mga bagay-bagay na maaari magkaroon ng hinala ang sambayanan na namimili ka ng boto. Yan yung sinasabi natin. Napakahirap na may kaso sa amin. They can be disqualified and at the same time pwede namin sila ipakulong kasi ang vote buying ay isang kasong kriminal.